अगर किसी चीज़ को अगर किसी चीज़ को कायनात से अगर किसी चीज़ को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. Having said that, after introspecting a lot on this topic of the law of attraction, I am here to conclude that I agree with SRK. Personally, I have read a lot of articles online and watched a lot of videos about the law of attraction, but to be honest, I don't think that it's as simple as these people on the internet make it sound like. All those videos and online articles did not speak to me personally. They talked about flimsy things. Of course, those things will help me too, but at the same time, I did not find them practical. Instead of focusing on working hard, they told me that I have to focus on writing journals, talking about my dreams instead of actually working towards it, because there is no amount of journaling or creating vision boards that can help you if you are actually not doing the hard work. So here are a few tips and tricks, tried and tested, that might help you to understand the law of attraction better. Number 1, no law will work if you don't work hard. Yes, you have heard it right. The law of attraction can only work if you are working towards your goal. Think of it as a mechanism that enhances your performance, which helps you to succeed. You cannot sit and think that only by dreaming about what you want to achieve will get you what you want. You of course have to work towards it. People think that only by thinking about what you want to achieve, dreaming about what you want to achieve, and constantly writing in journals about what you want to achieve, instead of actually working towards what you actually want to achieve, will get you results. There is no fairy godmother to help you out. Of course, you have to do your own work. But I am sure if you are determined, then the law of attraction will of course help you to achieve what you want. Number 2, consistency is the key to attract the law of attraction. Personally, I have learnt it the hard way. I have come to realize that the law of attraction will only work if you are consistent with your work. And it also helps the law of attraction to guide you towards achieving your goals. These goals don't need to be massive tasks like becoming billionaires in a year or becoming an overnight success on Instagram. I have come to realize now that it is not only hard work but also consistent hard work which will make me achieve my goals. So as I was saying, that there is nothing known as an overnight success. There are endless number of sleepless nights one needs to spend in order to become an overnight success. Be present in the moment when you are doing the work. Being immersed in your work helps you not only do your job better, but it also indicates to the universe that yes, you are trying hard and you are trying hard enough to achieve that goal. Although all I am saying might seem like cliches, which they are, also things which you might have probably heard a millions of times, but I am only repeating them because they are actually true. The law of attraction will help you to achieve your goals, but not if you are not working towards achieving your own goals. So I would like to only tell you that there's a phrase that I remember back from school, which was that if you think you can, you can. And if you think you can't, then you're absolutely right. So I guess if you think that you can achieve your goals, then of course you can. There is nobody that can stop you. But if you are doubtful yourself, then I don't think the universe will conspire to help you. So here I would like to come to my third point, which is negative self-talk. So we all do doubt ourselves at some point or the other in our lives. Sometimes it becomes a habit that we doubt our every move. Although it's good to not think of ourselves as some ultimate guru or ultimate brilliant person, but I would also tell you that it's not very healthy to talk to ourselves in a negative way. We should treat ourselves, or we should talk to ourselves like we talk to our best friends. So if you don't believe in yourself, if you constantly tell yourself that you cannot do a certain thing, then why would anybody else believe you? Why would the universe believe you? So I would like to tell you that you are more than your self-doubts. You are more than the negative talks in your head. You can achieve a lot more if you just believed in yourself a little bit more. So if you are going around telling people that you are not good at making friends, then of course that's what the universe is hearing. And that will make it more hard for you to make friends, even if maybe you did want to actually make friends. But that's not the message that you are sending out to the universe. So how do we use the law of attraction to our advantage? Well, you can actually start by being clear about your goals, be it personal, professional, or academic. Write down in a piece of paper what you want to achieve. And if they are practical, yes, I use practical here because you cannot wish to achieve to be a surgeon with an engineering degree. But nonetheless, you can help people by being kind. If you want to learn a new skill, then either you have to approach somebody who already has that skill in person, or there are now tons and tons of courses available online for you to learn from. Invest some time in figuring out the hows and whys because they are very important to keep you going on the long run. And finally, all I can say is that go for it. Don't let the fear of judgment or failure stop you from doing the things that you want to do. Any other social media What is this? I hope this video was helpful. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.